Hi there, and welcome to another episode of Ask VSA, where we answer all of your questions regarding singing. My name is Peter Vox, and I'm the director and principal teacher of Vox Singing Academy, which is established in 1993 in beautiful Melbourne, Australia. If we could help you or someone that you know with their singing, we would be absolutely honoured. We have numerous studios with both male and female teachers here in Melbourne. We also give online singing lessons worldwide 7 days a week. And if face-to-face lessons aren't your thing, check out the links below for more info for the ultimate online singing course. If you like this channel, give it a like, thumbs up, click subscribe to keep up with other great content, not just a question and answer session like this is here. We have blogs, podcasts, all sorts of things going on to this channel. So check out the other great content. Teacher React videos. I've got hundreds of those there, so check those out. Without any further ado, let's get stuck into the next question. So the next question that I have been asked is, how do I do vocal trills and runs? Now, a vocal trill and a run is a movement of notes within the key, which is yeah. That's a vocal trill or a run, okay? So they're a little fancy movement of notes that are generally at the end of a line, make it look really fancy and sound really good. Predominantly done in a lot of R&B singing. So a lot of R&B singers like to use this. And I'll just give an example of in a Pink Floyd song, not an R&B song, but I'm going to do one line with a bit of a movement and one line without it. So you think you can tell heaven from hell. So I did those with some movements or what we call vocal runs, okay? Now without them, it's going to sound like this. So you think you can tell heaven from hell. Now as you can see, it's a little bit different. It's not as fancy. So it doesn't matter whether you're putting these runs in or not, particularly if you're writing your own songs. You can do them if you want to make the line fancier or not. It doesn't really matter. But if you are in a cover band and you're doing the song and they have a movement or a run, or if you're doing theatre, you're going to have to learn and do that movement or run, and it's very important that you know how to do it. So this segment here is just a beginner's guide on how to do basic runs and movements. So what I would be doing first and foremost is, if there is a particular movement in a song that you need to learn, sing along with the actual artist and slow the movement down. So for instance, I will just use that Pink Floyd song as an example. So the first line is so instead of going so that quick, do it slower. So, and get the movement down slower firstly, and then try to gradually get quicker and quicker. So once you can do that, that's what I'd be suggesting to do is basically get your movement, get the trill, get the run, break it down, try to do it slowly firstly. Then once you get better at that, try to pick the pace of the trill or the run up and do it in the original pace and key that the artist is doing it in. Now, sometimes there are very, very complicated runs that are that are like that in R&B songs. They're a little bit harder because you have to break down numerous notes, but still you can do it. So you can always break it down, or even if it's a very long trill or run like that, maybe just break down the first quarter or first half of the run. And just get that down firstly, and then try to put in the second half if it's a very complicated trill or run. So that's how to practically learn trills and runs from your favorite artists or singers. But you want to be able to do them and pull them out of your pocket all the time. And the best way to do that is to do it with some scales or skills. And this is the basic run or trill scale that we do with all of our singers at Vox Singing Academy. So this is a trill from side to side. It's a movement from side to side. Try to keep the movement fluent, not art, but it kills two birds with one stone. two birds with one stone. It will be for flexibility and the trill or the run, and then also holding the last note nice and straight as well too. So have a listen to me. Girls and guys, this should be a good key for you. It is low for girls, so have a listen to me. So it's a very basic trill. So try that at home now. Let's keep it going. It's just that movement from side to side, tone to tone. Let's keep it going, girls and guys. Now this will be very low for girls. It'll be sort of medium register for guys. But as you can see, with the movement, it's it's not it's not staccato. So try to keep the revolution in the movement. And I would be starting to do something like that at a slower pace. Now, as you get better, you can so you get a real quick run. So that's a scale that we teach all of our students. Now we obviously go all the way through the range. That was a very small segment of the voice. That's probably the middle register of the male voice and the lower register of the female voice. When we have classes, we would record that scale very low and also going up high as well too. So it's going all the way through. But you can use what I've just played then as a basic template for what you want to do. So you can just get a key and go, or lower for guys, and use that movement and try to do it quicker. So that is a very good scale. Now that is what we give to the entry-level people that just want some flexibility and to hold the last note. Another really great scale that we give, particularly the R&B students, is more of just a rundown. So it's going to be like this. This is your classic sort of R&B rundown. So it's really nice, slow. Just keep that cascading down and start slowly. Again, guys and girls, this is a good key for guys and girls here. All guys and all girls should be able to sing this. It's so remember there's four main movements. And again, try to keep the movements fluent, okay? So they're revolutions. They're not but then again, I don't want it sloppy the other way. I don't want to because that's not going to sound any good either. So you need to get that nice middle ground with trills, and we need to keep it fluent, and it's going to sound like this. I'll give you this one again. So guys and girls, join me now. Let's try it together. Now a little smile for this one. Look in the mirror. And the volume is starting at a firm volume and coming down quieter as we come down slightly. Let's go to the next key here, okay? So let's go to the next one. So let's go to the next one. So again, you can use that as a template. Whoa, where's my pen? You can use that as a template. And once you get better at doing it slower, you can do it quicker. It's your classic R&B trill there. And you can put that into your songs as you're messing around and play around with that. So there is two great scales for you to practice at home, and you can practice at your own leisure. If you're not doing it that great, you're feeling that, oh geez, it's not sounding that great, it's not sounding like you, Pete, how do I get it to sound like me? Keep on practicing, practice along with me in this video, take it back and practice along with me. And then if you're still not getting results, look into possibly getting some professional singing lessons. Again, this is a very standard, particularly this scale here. It's a very standard scale that we give most of our students at Vox Singing Academy for movement and flexibility, and then also holding the last note straight. Go away, have fun with that, apply it into those songs that have got movements or runs or trills. See how you go. If you still need some help, please reach out. We'll be absolutely honored to help you out. Check out the links below for numerous studios in Melbourne with male and female teachers, also online singing lessons worldwide. We also have the ultimate online singing course if you're not wanting face-to-face lessons. If you have a question, put it in the comments below. Love to hear from you. If you think that I've missed something, put it in the comments below. Love to have a discussion and talk about it. It'd be absolutely fantastic. The more feedback, the better. And if you like this channel, give it a like, thumbs up, click like and subscribe. If you have a question, please comment. Anyone's got some comments, put them in the comments below. Until the next time, peace and much love. Enjoy your singing, enjoy doing your runs, and be good to each other. Peace and much love. To the next video. Bye-bye.